Hello engineers, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Yesterday I have published a video of 2D designing a plan of one building plan, residential commercial, in which I have told you all that I will also publish a 3D plan for this. And today I came with the 3D design of the video. So in this tutorial you can see there is a ground floor, underground floor in the parking area of 60 feet by 35 feet. And if we go outside of the underground plan, we can see a good attractive building. And let's see the beside view of this 3D view. In this video, you can see a walkthrough rendering video, which I have done from Lumion application. And this is the 3D view of north side. And let's go to the road side and see how it is going to look like. So in this plan, you can see there are some rooms, and in the front you can see a shutter. This is the main entrance for this building. And while coming to this, the client asked for the storeroom, which I have kept in the ground floor. And let's move to the first floor. Here you can see that balcony of 5 feet I have given, and there are some rooms which you can see from this. So let's go through the walkthrough, and here you can see there is a kitchen, and if we come out you can see there is a 3 feet balcony in which it is very attractive, and it is beside the two roads of 100 feet road in front, and in the back side there is a 30 feet road. If you go here you can see some rooms are there in which a balcony is going between it. This is also called a veranda. And let's move to the top of the building, in which you can see how the building is looking like in the multi level. This is the multi design, and you can see this video is looking so great. So this is the walkthrough of the video, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and I hope you guys already have subscribed this channel. In this channel I am going to put 3D video, 2D integration, 2D designing and all and everything. Thank you for watching this video guys. Bye, have a good day.